As Canadians, it's our energy that connects us. And at Tenaris, our Canadian manufactured pipe connects our customers to our country's abundant energy supply. We're connected to Canada's oil and gas industry through our long-standing partnerships. We connect our customers through full mill-to-well service with Rig Direct. We connect our Canadian know-how to our global expertise. We innovate to help our clients set performance records in Duvernay and Montney wells. We're adding capabilities like coating to line pipe for better performance in our Canadian conditions. We connect our communities to the support they need to thrive sustainably. We're connecting Canadian energy from coast to coast, from our mill in Sault Ste. Marie to Canada's oil and gas fields.